Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create a link or URL in Google Drive to share files. So let's get started. First of all, open Google Drive. Now tap on plus icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on upload. After that, select the file you want to upload. Here I will choose this video file. Then tap on upload. Now you can see the file is uploading. Once the upload is complete, tap on the three dots next to the file. Then tap on share. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on manage access. After that, tap on change. Now tap on the right arrow icon. Then select anyone with the link. Now tap on the link icon to copy the link. Now your link is ready. You can share it anywhere you want. For example, I will share it on WhatsApp. So open WhatsApp and go to your friend's chat. Paste the link in the message box and send it. Now if your friend taps on the link, they can easily view the file. To download it, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. And by tapping on the download option, they can download the file easily. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.